Good day everyone. In this video, I will be presenting a relations and a function. So, um, in the end of this presentation, we will define a relation and a functions, and we will know how to identify a function. So what are relation? Relation is a correspondence between two variables x and y, which can be written as a set of ordered pairs x and y. I so ev every relation has a domain and a range. A domain is or x is a set of all first coordinates, and the y is a set of all second coordinates. So our range y is 3, 4, 5, and 6, and our domain or x is -4, -3, -2, and -1. So these are the ways to see relations of ordered pair, table, mapping, and a graph. So relation can be categorized by how the x value map the y value. So in one-to-one relation, it, each x goes exactly um, one unique y, and the one-to-many relation is multiples x's goes the same y, and many to many I want to many one x goes to multiple y's. Here, what is function? Function is a correspondence that associates with each element of x a unique element of y. So, function is very specific topic of relation. It corresponds that associate each element of x with unique element of y. And then, in simple term, for a relation to be function can be input or x must only have one output or y. So looking back to the types of relation, we have here many to one relations are function, and many to one to one relation rather is a function, and many to one um, relation is a function. And one to many relations are not function because one x is mapped to the multiple y's. So let's identify a function form from a graph. We can easily identify if a graph is a function using the vertical line test like this. So if you sketch a vertical line over the graph and it touches a graph at only one point like this, y is equal to sine x, then it is a function. And if a vertical line touches naman graph at the graph of at two or more points, it is not a function. So finally, we use the horizontal line test to see if a function is one-to-one or not. So if a horizontal line um, intersects the graph once, like this, it is a function. I The function is one-to-one. And if the horizontal line intersects the graph more than once, um, it is a function, but it is many to one. So that's all. In conclusion, uh, this is that's all the ano that's all the my presentation in this video. Thank you. Thank you.